Ever wished you could check your home's temperature and humidity from anywhere? Imagine knowing if your plants are too dry, your pets are comfortable, or if your server room is overheating, all from your phone. Stop guessing and start monitoring. Today, we're going to show you how to build a smart, remote monitoring system using just a few affordable. Welcome back to the channel. In this quick 2-minute guide, we'll dive into the world of IoT to create your very own temperature and humidity monitoring system. We'll be combining the power of the DHT11 sensor, the versatile ESP8266 NodeMCU, and the user-friendly Blynk app to give you real-time data right in your pocket. No complex coding, no expensive equipment, just smart, accessible. Let's meet our stars. First, the DHT11 sensor. This little guy is our eyes and ears, accurately measuring both temperature and humidity. It's affordable and easy to use. Next, the ESP8266 NodeMCU. This is the brain of our operation, a powerful, Wi-Fi-enabled microcontroller that connects our sensor to the internet. And finally, the Blynk app. This incredible platform allows us to create custom dashboards on our smartphone to visualize and interact with our data, all without writing a single line of mobile code. Setting this up is simpler than you think. First, connect the DHT11 to your NodeMCU. It's just 3 wires, VCC, GND, and data pin 4. Second, we'll use the Arduino IDE. Just a few lines of code to read data from the DHT11 and send it to Blynk. Third, Blynk app configuration. Download the Blynk app, create a new project, and drag and drop widgets like gauges and value displays. Link them to your NodeMCU, and you're almost there. Once everything's connected and the code is uploaded, power it up. Your NodeMCU will connect to your Wi-Fi, and almost instantly, you'll see live temperature and humidity readings populating your Blynk dashboard. Look at that. Real-time data right at your fingertips. Now you can monitor your environment from anywhere in the world. Whether it's keeping an eye on your precious plants, ensuring your baby's room is just right, or preventing costly equipment failures due to overheating, this system gives you peace of mind and control. You can even set up notifications for critical thresholds. Call to action. Ready to build your own? All the links to components, detailed wiring diagrams, and the full code are in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more awesome IoT projects, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. What will you monitor next? Let us know in the comments.